To do a cold start video. I have my hand on the exhaust manifold. The engine is cold because it was sitting here for about a week. Go ahead, Wes, start it up. Starts up perfectly smooth. And as you can see, the engine temperature is cold. Everything works as it should. No warning lights. The top is in excellent condition. Absolutely zero rust. Even underneath the doors. Rev it up. All right, good. As you can see, no blue smoke or white smoke. And the power seat works as it should. Perfect door jambs. No rust underneath the door, on the bottom of the door. And we're gonna take it for a drive. Still has the factory floor mats. Just everything shows like a new car. All the VIN stickers prove that it's all factory panels and paint. Okay. And let me put my seatbelt on. Okay, let's go for a drive. So probably a good test route would be making a left here. So at the bottom of the hill, it's kind of a big drop, so go diagonally and make a left, and we could make a U-turn down the street. Shifts perfectly, everything drives like it should. And just go into the top gear. Synchros are perfect. We just went through all the gears, stop. And we're gonna do a U-turn here. Wes, you're a good driver. So we're gonna make a left.